This video shows you how to assemble your new French bed. When you open the boxes, you'll see a headboard, footboard, side rails, a set of slats and the centre beam. Start off by removing the bolts from the headboard and also from the footboard. Position the side rails between the headboard and the footboard. We've put stickers on the corners with codes on, which will show you which part matches which. So here, the letter A on the headboard lines up with an A on one of the side rails. Attach the first side rail to the headboard by putting the hooks into the corresponding slots on the headboard. Attach the other side rail. When both side rails are attached to the headboard, you can lift them up and slot them into the footboard. Tighten the bolts and complete the outside of the bed frame. Now slot the centre beam into position. If you have a super king size bed, you may notice there are two centre beams. And finally, position the slats on the frame and your beautiful French bed is complete.